origins of the Dragon Smart Kits concept, perhaps. That concept used to be that you, in a smart kit, would allegedly get all the plastic parts as well as all the metal parts, rubber parts, whatever, in one box. And you also have here the Dragon card with all the goodies, so to speak, right? Decals, PE clear parts, sometimes particularly vulnerable parts would be on this Dragon card, and also the pre-cut tracks. You would get it all in one box, and it looked kind of neat. So the smart thing about it was that you only needed to buy the Dragon kit itself. Many of those old kits would have to be upgraded in order to meet certain modeler standards. Now, a curious thing about this is an old CMK kit. This is a release from 1997. When you open the box, lo and behold, it turns out you have this card with bags attached to it. See? All sorts of neat things. In concept, this release resembles a Dragon Smart Kit very much, and maybe is part of the inspiration for the Dragon Smart Kit, where you supposedly get everything you need to build a really nice kit, including PE, in one box, without having to buy aftermarket like you do with Tamiya.